Are you struggling with parenting? Are you feeling overwhelmed and stressed? Take a deep breath. Here are 5 mindful parenting tips for enhancing your relationship with your child. Tip 1. Practice presence. Slow down and be present with your child. Turn off your phone and other distractions. Listen to their stories. Enjoy the moment. Tip 2. Model mindfulness. Your children learn from you. Practice mindfulness yourself. Take breaks, breathe deeply and relax. They will learn from your example. Tip 3. Show empathy. Acknowledge your child's feelings. Show that you understand their perspective. Take the time to step into their shoes and see their world. Tip 4. Reframe your language. Use positive language instead of negative. I appreciate it when you, instead of stop doing that. Positive language builds trust and confidence. Tip 5. Set boundaries. Setting clear boundaries is healthy. It shows that you respect yourself and others. Use kind but firm words to set limits. Thanks for watching. Try these mindful parenting tips to enhance your relationship with your child. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice.